In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize chart colors in Exness. First, open the Exness app or terminal and log into your account. Once you're in, choose the trading instrument whose chart you'd like to customize. It's easiest to start on a chart you actively use so you immediately see the difference your changes make. On the chart screen, look for the settings icon. Depending on your device or layout, this usually appears as a small gear or a three dots menu within the chart area. If you don't see it right away, try tapping once on the chart to reveal on-screen controls. Go ahead and open that settings panel. Inside the settings, navigate to the section dedicated to appearance. It might be labeled colors, appearance, or chart style. These sections contain everything you need to adjust the visual look of your chart, from overall themes to specific candle elements. You can start by choosing a predefined theme, such as light or dark. Themes are a quick way to ensure your chart has good contrast and readability in different lighting conditions. If you prefer more control, switch to custom options. Here, you can define the color of bullish candles, which represent price moving up, and bearish candles, which represent price moving down. A common choice is green for bullish and red for bearish, but you can pick any colors that make trend direction clear at a glance. Next, refine candle borders and wicks. Borders outline each candle's body, and wicks or shadows show the high and low within the period. Setting borders and wicks to a color that contrasts well with the candle body and background helps you read price action quickly. If you're using a dark theme, lighter wick and border colors often work best. For a light theme, darker lines keep things clear. If your platform shows a live preview in the background, take a moment to check legibility across a few candles, especially in congested areas where price action is dense. When you're satisfied, confirm your changes by selecting Save or Apply. Your chart will update immediately. Scan a few time frames or zoom levels to ensure the colors remain readable whether you're zoomed in on individual candles or zoomed out to see broader trends. If something feels hard to read, return to the same settings and tweak the colors until you get a comfortable balance. That's it. You've customized your Exness chart colors, making your workspace clearer and more suited to your trading style.